Welcome to the MindView 7 Quick Start video on adding dates and times to your mind map. In this video, you will learn how to add dates and times to your mind map, how to review your mind map as a timeline, and how to export that mind map and include the date and time information. Let's begin by discussing the Task Timeline panel from the right side of my screen. The Task Timeline panel allows you to add specific date and time information to my MindView branches. I can select between different document types, which are Task Management, Project Management, and Timeline. For more information on Task and Project Management document types, please see the Project Management Quick Start video. For this example, we will leave it in the Timeline mode. I can navigate to my various branches, in this case Opening Remarks, and choose under the time information Start and simply left-click the box, choose a year, then choose a month, and then choose a specific day, and I can even go a step further and choose a time that I'd like to include. That branch information is now displayed specifically on that branch. If I need to add an end time, I simply choose End, follow the same procedures, and that start and end time is displayed on the selected branch. I can also choose to add task and timeline information from several different views. For this example, I may be more comfortable working in the outline view or the timeline view. By switching to the outline view, I can see my various agenda topics, and I can choose to click into one of the main fields and associate the start times and end times in the same fashion as you saw before, choosing the year, choosing the month, choosing the day, and adding the time. I can also choose to add the task information as I discussed in the timeline view. The timeline view allows you to see the timeline outline on the left side of the screen and a visual of the timeline on the right side of the screen. You still have access to the standard features in MindView, such as branch pictures, branch attachments, and so on. As I list time information to a desired branch, you will see that time information and branch information populate on the timeline itself. By collapsing the timeline outline and then hitting F4, I can now see my agenda shown across the timeline with the duration bars displayed, giving the user or my audience a visual understanding of how long each topic will take. If I then choose to export this file out to a different program, for instance Microsoft Word, I can choose Export, Microsoft Word. This time I'll go to the Custom Word Export. I'll choose my style that I'd like to export. Under the General tab, I can choose what elements I'd like to include, in this case dates, and I'll hit Export. I now see my Microsoft Word document with my title, my visual timeline, my table of contents, and if I navigate to that specific section, I see the start and end time that I associated on that branch.